Email has become a mainstay of marketing in the digital age. We use it for a wide range of purposes, including branding, promotion of goods and services, offering incentives, customer care and transaction receipts, and more. As measured by email open rates by device, you'd be sorely disadvantaged if you do not consider all email to be mobile email. It's estimated that 88% of people are checking their email on a mobile phone every day, and an average of 65% of all emails, significantly higher in different marketing, social, economic stratas, are opened on a mobile device. Furthermore, studies report that as much as 98% of all emails may be only viewed on one device. In other words, if you do not take into account mobile, that is the majority of your email, will be viewed through a mobile device, then you're going to be significantly retarding the potential of your email marketing programs. In this video, we'll review what it takes to create an effective mobile email marketing program. As with all your marketing efforts, but probably most importantly in your email, make sure your mobile email is concise. Consumers today are snacking content, both for the subject and body copy. Shy away from including marketing and sales speak. Focus on providing the right amount of information to get your message across. Be clear. Provide a call to action. Don't make the consumer guess your intentions. Tell them exactly what you want them to do. Join us, redeem a coupon, etc. Provide an offer. According to ExactTarget, the offer is everything. Personalize your message. Personalize your emails. Office Depot recently reported that their personalized emails performed 700% better than generic emails. Personalization takes work. It requires that you take the effort to get to know your audience and build your relevant data models. Personalization factors you may want to consider include the use of a name, adjusting the content to take into account a person's location, stated preferences and favorites, purchase history, inclusion of the next best offer, and action based on predictive analytics, and more. Email design, development, and delivery approaches. There are two formats that you can use for email, text or rich media. Text emails are great when it comes to mobile since there is nothing to consider when it comes to mobile optimization. A text email shows up on a mobile just fine. However, they're not necessarily that exciting. They don't include any colors, images, or rich media, like video and pictures. Rich media emails, on the other hand, use the same language as your website, HTML, and you can leverage a wide range of formatting techniques like colors, fonts, tables, style sheets, and content, including images, audio, and video. When it comes to designing and developing your emails, there are three approaches you can take. Design for desktop. In the design for desktop approach, in other words, you ignore the fact that your emails are being opened on a mobile device and you simply create email for the big broadband screen. I highly don't recommend this, given the consumer adoption and use of opening emails on a mobile device. Be mobile aware. With the Be Mobile Aware approach, you consider the fact that your emails are going to be opened and read on a mobile device. So you design your email for mobile awareness. That is, the HTML assets, such as images, you use for email are static and can be viewed equally as well on a mobile device as well as on a desktop. When developing a mobile-aware email, you want to use standard HTML tags, set the width of your email to be between 320 and 520 pixels, either with tables or div tags. You want to limit the email to ideally one column and limit the number of images you use. This will optimize the maximum viewability across all the different device types and email clients. Responsive. With a responsive design approach, you're using advanced HTML coding techniques and style sheets within the design and development of your email, so that the email will display differently across different device types that attempt to open it. That is, it displays differently on the desktop versus a phone versus a tablet. The way this works is straightforward. Embedded in the email is a piece of code that detects the device type the email is being opened on, and based on the HTML instructions you or your designer placed within the email style sheet, the email will pull down and render, that is, ignore, hide, stack, or swap, the content in the email so that it renders properly on the device. This approach can help you create some really enticing emails, but you need to be careful and do a lot of testing. Responsive design for email is not universally supported across all devices and email clients. For example, Windows Phone, Yahoo Mobile, Android Gmail, and native email clients on the Exchange server do not support it and will default to the desktop versions of the email. In other words, your consumers may need to pinch and swipe and images may become unreadable depending on how their email is designed. Once you have all your email designed and developed, you're ready to send it. You can always send your emails from a local email client like MacMail or Outlook. But this strategy provides you no ability to bulk send, easily personalize the message, or report on the results. Moreover, these clients may not support your responsive design formatting. In fact, they probably won't. It's best to subscribe to an email solution provider, or ESP. The ESP will provide you with a ton of capability. They'll help you send and report on the delivery, open rates, and clicks within your email. Most will also help you with the above design and development work, as well as provide you templates, tools, and added resources for managing your email. Also, many of the ESPs are now adding additional capability beyond email, like integrating text messaging, social media, and web hosting capabilities. We don't have the time to go through every platform right now, but you should probably take a look at platforms like Constant Contact, MobileStorm, ExactTarget, and HubSpot. These are all great solutions that span the spectrum of capabilities. Once you've taken into account the basic considerations above, you should also consider the following: opt-out versus opt-in rules. Unlike SMS marketing, with email marketing, you don't need to opt in first. With email marketing, you should follow the rules as spelled out by the CAN-SPAM Act and provide a clear method to unsubscribe, including your company's details, name, and address, among other finer points. I suggest you read the rules and regulations. Timing and frequency. According to ReturnPath, a leader in email marketing, the timing of your email sends matter. ReturnPath reports that the majority of email opens on a mobile device occur within the first 90 minutes of delivery. This suggests that if you have time-sensitive opportunities like a flash sale, time-sensitive coupon, event updates, email can be a viable medium for getting the message across. Also, be sure not to overwhelm the consumer with too many messages. It's a good idea to build in a preference center and ask your consumers how many messages would they like to receive and or would be willing to receive from you in any given period of time. Finally, testing. Be sure to take the time to test your email. Before sending the email, send it to yourself. Look at it on your phone, your tablet, or desktop. Is this something you'd want to receive? For more advanced viewability testing, you can use solutions like Litmus. Litmus provides a tool that will show you what your email is going to look like on different devices. Also, test your copy. It is best practice for you to segment your email list, create different versions of your emails, and see which ones will perform better, or are in fact performing better. There is so much more to be said about creating effective mobile marketing strategies with email. This is just the tip of the iceberg, but that should get you started.